Are we underestimating actually the pace at which the transition is already happening? So if you speak to a lot of the oil majors or the mining companies, they say, look, we're not ready for the transition because we haven't mined enough of the copper, of the things that we need for the transition. Again, is it delayed or is it still going ahead but just at a slower pace?
I think just the sort of unpleasant or inevitable arithmetic of global demand for energy, with 80% still being fossil fuel driven, means that for the next 3-4 decades, I'm afraid well beyond some of our net zero goals, we will have a reliance on fossil fuels. So again, this idea of kind of, green heroes, brown villains needs to be more nuanced by investors. And, there's still tons of opportunity on the green side because that transition is inevitable, has to happen and is happening and has been happening for 20 years. And I think we'd say there it's a little bit like the picks and shovels versus the gold. We see the opportunity in renewables a little bit more on the infrastructure side and the kind of underlying pieces that you need rather than in solar or wind itself, which I think is a little overpriced at the moment.